Oh, no,
shit.
no, no, no.
Ah.
No, no, no. Girl, smash! Smash, girl!
Smash.
Oh, oh. Mating! Hey girl, look at your man!
Trying hard siya.
He's shaking and everything. Well, you're the only guy, so what's the problem?
Let's don't know that they're bird brains.
No, they're the only guy. Look at that. Ooh!
Nabutin natin.
Papapansin ka.
Trying.
You have my heart.
Nice try.
Oh, it's sad. It really looks sad.
Like, oh, feelings. I worked so hard.
Ano yan?
It's an angry bird. You're beautiful.
Yes,
He's an angry bird because he's so fat. Oh, no, no, no,
Shit.
no, no, no. No, no, no. No.
No.
No, no, no.
Please.
Oh,
Dude,
shit,
it's
Liz,
so
don't go
pretty.
here.
You are full.
What? Ayan na.
Oh,
It's really pretty.
You are full.
Like, look at the eyes and the eyelashes and the whoa. Dude, you're pretty.
You are full.
How are you so pretty?
That was Rave Pasig Rainforest water park. It was really fun. It was a good, amazing time. Amazing view. We finished it in 2 hours. We could have finished it less than 2 hours, but we were with a child, so we had to stop and look at the view. It's amazing. They have a maze, a garden, flower garden. Same thing, flower field. Swimming pool, it's huge. But there was like too many people, so we didn't swim at all. Too many people. And it's really expensive. 150? 150 pesos is very expensive. Really expensive. Beautiful place. Mini zoo, butterfly garden. I'm sorry I couldn't vlog there. I couldn't really talk there because the thing is, time. We have a limited time. We have to go to places and we have to be back to places we have to be. I'm sorry I couldn't talk there, and you know, I'm busy and having fun instead of just recording my time. Hope you guys liked the video, and leave a like and subscribe and click that like button if you did. And please subscribe, comment down below. And that's all for me. See you in the next one. Hope you guys liked the video.